Alright, hey guys, we're going to do an iPhone 5S battery change out. This one is the Apple sign's coming on and then going away really fast, and when you hook it up to your computer it dings and connects to iTunes, and then it disconnects. So we're going to see if there's any water damage or if it's just a battery replacement on this 5S. Start by taking out the bottom two pentalobe screws. And then we'll pop this screen off and put a new battery in and see what happens. Battery on this is obviously right there. The connector is located right here. Doesn't look wet. Now, the unfortunate thing about these batteries is that once you take them off, usually you cannot put them back on there. There's this connector right here. That's the battery connector. Because it's glued down underneath it, usually when you pry up it makes it to where it damages the battery a little bit. The old one. These connectors, that's the voltage is a little different from phone to phone, and these connectors are different. You have to make sure that you have the right connection. 5C, 5S, the iPhone 5, it's all different.